Hello guys, I know you're looking for so many videos on how to start e-commerce in Africa. Well, this is an all-in-one video. If you're in Africa, anywhere in Africa, you want to start e-commerce, start your shipping, this is all you need. Today, I'm going to be detailed from the beginning to the end. This is going to be a long video, so I encourage you guys to sit right and get ready for the ride. Just sit right. If you enjoyed the video, go to thumbs up, share, comment, ask questions. We are here to help Africans grow. Well, I'm based in Nigeria, and I'm doing e-commerce for the past 2 years now with lots of importation, and I'm going to let you guys know all you need to know. Well, on this page, we're better focusing on e-commerce, job shipping, running ads from the beginning to the end. So I really encourage you guys to hang around. So now, what is e-commerce? E-commerce is basically the art of buying and selling of goods and services online. Anything that has to do with you buying something online is called e-commerce. Now what is job shipping? Job shipping is those of you buying goods from China or buying goods from somewhere, while the seller pays for it, then you send the goods directly to the person without you having any particular, without you being in contact with the goods. We're here in Africa because of our trust issues and so many other factors. You know, because normally it's in USA that has the highest rate of people that buy goods online. They are happy to buy goods online. But here in Africa we have trust issues, which that doesn't really work out well for us. So here in Africa we have 3 methods of doing our own e-commerce. We have 3 methods. Number 1 is the local sourcing. That is whereby you can go to the local markets, snap, this is very common in Africa now. Go to inside local market, snap clothes, snap bags, snap shoes, then comes to our WhatsApp status, post it, or go to our stores, then snap it and post it up and down. If they want to make an order, they pay, they'll go to the store and pick it up. This is mostly common with students in the universities, polytechnics, corpers. I'm using West Africa as an example there. And another one, I found there is a popular app called Gigi in Nigeria, or a common app which basically allows producers and traders, like people are buying large quantity from China. Post their goods. So this is where most people go, and then when they see goods there, they now snap it, then go to YouTube, take a good creative, then run ad. Once they get an order, they will just send a logistic guy to go to the shop and pick it up, then send it to the delivery guy. That they will pay the seller on Gigi. They go and pick it up. Once they send it to the person that is selling, the person will not pay the logistic guy. This guy will not pay them. Why the third is the most common one, whereby people go to Alibaba, 89.com, and so many China and companies to make their order. Once it comes to their house, then they will now be running ads and be selling it. So this is just the basic about e-commerce. So when you go to e-commerce, there are different niches. There's the health niche, there's the kitchen niche, kitchen utensils, there's car part niche, there's phone electronical niche, there's house furniture niche. There's so many niches. So I really encourage you guys to go with the niche you feel comfortable with, the niche you can do your art creative with, the niche you feel, this is my niche, this is where I am, this is where I feel comfortable with, this is where the money is, this is where the market is. So that is just it. These are just the basic, the primary and the stuff. Why the importance of e-commerce is that e-commerce is something that gives you freedom. If you want to wait from 9 to 5, if you want to have that freedom, e-commerce has money. You just have to get it right. You have to be consistent. You have to get it right. You have to be consistent. You have to invest your time. You have to avoid some kind of stuff, because the early stage is quite difficult, because then you have to run ads and do so many things which is quite consuming, which kind of eats your money more and stuff like that. So there's something again I want to talk about. It's about research and planning. Before you start e-commerce, the most important thing, you don't really need large money to start e-commerce. What you just need is the money to pay for the goods you are buying. Like now, just like going to local markets. Like you go to local market now, so look at this goods when you snap it, like you do search now, look at when you snap it, you post it, and I like this features. It's okay, the person should pay. Once the person pays, you go to the local market, you pick it up. Once you pick it up, you give it to the person. Then the person, once you have paid, you have taken your own profit. You go and you pay the seller that is selling it. You now take it to the person that wants to buy the research. You understand? So that is just the whole psychology of e-commerce. There's a lot of e-commerce and buying and selling. So you need to have a good plan. You need to have a good plan of how you want to run it. Because the e-commerce, you need to bring out money for ad. Even if you are doing on a standard way, you need to bring out money for your ad. You have to do test the product, test the ad quality. There is 3 ads, 3 campaign, no, 1 campaign, 3 ad sets, then 3 creatives. Once you have that, you run it for like 3 days, check which one is corresponding more, then you direct them to your WhatsApp or direct them to your Facebook. So you need to plan, you need to have enough money based on the level you want to start. You don't by force, you must have a site. You can send them to your WhatsApp. If you see how the sales is good, see how the product is good, then you can do the site. They can go with that. So you need to plan, have money. You need to plan, have money for your ad, have money for the products, and so like that. Setting on online, when it comes to online, that is third, setting an online website. I would really encourage you guys, don't go and pay these web developers to do your site. You can use WordPress. WordPress is perfect because WordPress, you can easily add your pixels, add your listing. WordPress is very easy. It's very easy to learn. There's so many courses on Udemy, Jasper and Rodin. It's a very good course. I encourage you guys to go and pay for that course. It's very cheap. If you want the discount, I give a discount. Once you look, you can have to set a proper website. But website is where your customers will control, this person is legit, this person is real. It shows, this person is a good brand. This is very good. And with WordPress, a lot of free plugins. There's a lot of free ads that make your site good. You don't need to pay for all these things. You have to pay just for hosting, which in Nigeria is less than 20,000. Okay, if you are looking for .com.ng, if you are looking for .com, and my paying above 20,000. That's when Nigeria are like above $20. So that is just it. Once you get your site ready, the next thing to think about is your marketing and promotion. As an e-commerce, I will encourage you guys to focus on 3, let's say 4, it depends, but mostly it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok is coming up, and then Google Ads. Because Google Ads, people want, in case you're having any pain, instead you go to Google and search. You understand? So let's Google Ads is very good, but it's quite hard. So you need to go to a level of expertise before you can work on Google Ads. So if you can focus on Facebook Ads is quite easy, which is going to be explanatory. I'm going to teach you guys our physical class. I'll do my system. I'll show you guys Facebook Ads from beginning to end, how to set it up, how to link your pixels, how to do so many things. So I think I've learned WordPress, then focus on Facebook and Instagram, then you can do Google. If you have a time, you can pay somebody to do the Google Ads for you. But Facebook is very easy, so focus on Facebook and Instagram. Then your promotion, can you ask your friends to do content for you? You know this, we are in the content world. And if you can do content every day, for like 30 days or for like 60 days, believe me, the social media, and post it on your reels or your TikTok, I'm sure you're going to get a lot of views. So, and I'm sure it's going to be a plus one for you. So I encourage you guys to learn to do more creatives to put, and also learn Facebook and Instagram ads. That is what you must need. And Google is why it needs level of expertise to learn. The next one is logistics and fulfilling. You know, when it comes to this e-commerce and shipping in Africa, we mostly do payment on delivery because of our trust issues. You understand? So because of our payment on delivery method, Well, no, no. Those are payment and delivery. No, you cannot go and deliver yourself. You need use those logistic guys. So you need to get a trusted logistic company in which you give them your goods like 5 or 6. Once they finish delivering that one, they will credit you. Then you give them another one. Then if you are doing in an interstate, if you are doing another state, then you have to send it to the logistic guys. The one that they will hold the money. Once they are finished selling after a week or so, they will now send you your money. Then you now credit them their own. That is how it works. So you don't really need to think about any hard thing there. And to keeping the goods, you have to keep the goods in your house, your possession, since you are buying large quantity from China, or since you are not buying from the, or if you are getting from local market, once you get paid, then you can run that one. So that is just it about logistic and fulfillment. Then the next one is overcoming challenges and scaling. Yeah, this overcoming challenges, the challenges that I faced in this e-commerce is that, one, I use a professional developer to do my site, which gave me some tellings. And two, I didn't do my product testing before I started importing. I just believe this is a good product, and I went to import, which is very bad. Then the third one that I faced is that my site was having glitches, and I was able to read the pieces because there was no pieces connection. So it doesn't really give me the accurate data. I don't read it. Because it doesn't give me the accurate data I could use to read what's happening on my site. Those are the 3 mistakes I made. Then the fourth one is, can I just it? The rest ones are something you can just maneuver. I make sure I have a good. I make sure I have a good ad, and try to do your own original, so Facebook will not ban your page, your Facebook account. So that's just it. Then for conclusion, I will tell you guys that e-commerce and the shipping is very good. Is the next big deal. So we are still early. Congratulations, we are still early. So I believe that if we all can ride together, I'm not the best, I'm not professional, I'm still learning. We are all learning. So I believe that if we can go together, I'll show you guys the truth. I'll be sincere, open, tell you guys how it is and what you could do, and how you could learn this stuff, and how you could grow it to a brand, do your own brand, and how you could sell it detail. So I encourage everybody to join this page, like this page, subscribe. That is how you make me happy, so I can drop more content and ask your questions. Tell me what you want to know, and I'll keep dropping more videos every day, even if short videos or short videos every day to get something out of it. Our goal is to get this page to our goal is to help 1 million Africans start e-commerce and be self-employed. That is just it. The market is big enough for all of us, so let's ride on. Thank you.